In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file with transactions into Xero. Whether you're a business owner trying to stay on top of your bank transactions or an accountant managing multiple accounts, knowing how to properly import CSV files into Xero can make your accounting workflow much smoother. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do at each stage. First, you'll need to navigate to the Bank Accounts section within Xero. To get there, start by clicking on the Accounting menu. Once you're in, look for the Bank Accounts option. This is going to show you a list of all the bank accounts you've set up in Xero, and from here, you can identify the account that will be receiving the transaction data. Next, when you've found the appropriate bank account, you need to interact with it by clicking on Manage Account. This opens a drop-down where you'll select Import a Statement. This prepares Xero to accept your CSV file and process the data it contains. On the import screen, you'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. You can do this either by clicking the Select File button or by simply dragging and dropping your file into the designated area. Once your file is ready for import, click Next to proceed. Now here's an important piece. Xero will guide you to map the columns from your CSV file to the required fields within Xero. This typically involves matching headers like transaction date, transaction amount, and payee. The accurate mapping of these headers is crucial, especially for the date and amount, as it ensures that your data is correctly organized within Xero. An extra tip. Once you've done this mapping, Xero will remember it for future imports, provided your CSV format doesn't change. Sometimes, when the date format isn't clear, like with the dates 01, 02, 2025, Xero will ask you how to interpret these. You'll need to indicate whether it's day, month, year, or month, day, year to avoid any mix-ups in your records. You're almost there. Before finalizing the import, take a moment to review the list of transactions. Xero is designed to give you a heads up if it finds any errors or duplicate entries, so pay close attention to any warnings it might show. If there are transactions you prefer not to import, simply uncheck the box next to them. Finally, once you're satisfied with the selections and any corrections have been made, click on Complete Import. This seals the deal, and your transactions will be integrated into your Xero account, allowing you to keep an organized, up-to-date financial record. With this process mastered, importing transactions into Xero becomes a breeze, helping you spend less time on data entry and more on strategy and growth. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!